We Jamaican boys.
I need a man. Fleeking bad. I want to pull my hair out.
Hello, 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 I'm your saver. On top of you and in you.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Sexy Lips. And yours?
Jughead.
Okay, Jughead, where you're from?
Me come from Jamaica. My girl,
Where do you live?
up the road. And you.
Down the road.
So? When am I going to see you again?
I don't know, Jughead.
My girl? You just get a man.
Okay, I see you around, Jughead.
Yeah, my youth. What's it going? Yeah, bro. How? It goes. The same thing every day? Briajin. Yeah, you're right. The same shit every day. I met a gal last night. Really? She named Sexy Lips. Did you tell her where you live? Yes. She asked me, bro. And you answered. Up the road. And where did you sleep last night? Bro. It seems like you want the world to know where I have been sleeping, bro. Jughead. The heat is on. Bredjin. We don't get straight yet. I know that, Bredjin. So I'm going to get us a house soon, bro. Yeah, do that. Jamaican boys.